Yes, today what we'll do, we'll start with binary addition. Today we'll start with, what is the topic today? Binary addition. Okay, the topic is binary addition. So in this particular topic, the page number what you have to refer. The page number what you have to refer is page number 9. So there it is mentioned that 0 plus 0 equals to 0. What? 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 equals to 0. This is the first one. Okay, under that it is mentioned 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Okay, now under that it is mentioned 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Now the last one, the rule is 1 plus 1 equals to 10. Okay. Why 10? Why not 1 plus 1, 2? Because computer language, which is machine language has only two words. Only two words. That is, first one is 0 and another one is 1. Okay, so 2 can't be there. So 1 plus 1 will be 10. Okay, so this is clear. This is clear. Okay, now we'll move to the exercise part. So first one what we'll take, or we'll do in the same screen. Okay, we'll do in the same screen. Okay. No, we'll change the screen. So in this screen, as mentioned in the table, we'll do the exercise. The first one what we'll take is 1, 0, 0, 0. This is example 1. Then 1, 1, 1 and 1 plus. So we'll plus it now. So 0 plus 1. Now look into the table what is given here. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So what we'll write here? We'll write 1. We'll start solving from your right. Okay. Then again 0 plus 1. The same thing, 1. Then 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Now 1 plus 1. So what is the answer here? 1 plus 1. The answer is 10. So what we'll write? We'll write 10 here. So the answer is 1 0 1 1 1 1 triple 1 1 0 triple 1. Okay. Now we'll do the another one. Now in this, we'll take another example, which is 1 1. Example number 2. 1 1 and 1. Okay, 5 times 1, then 0 1 0 1 1. Okay. So this particular problem we'll solve. So 1 plus 1. Here what we have seen, 1 plus 1 equals to 10. So 1 plus 1 equals to 10. So what we'll write? We'll write 0 here. And 1 will come here. 1 will be carry forward. 1 will be carry forward. So 1 I have written here. 1 I have written here. So now 1 plus 1. which is given here, 1 plus 1. This is 10. But now 10 plus 1 equals to 11. 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Everyone, this will be important for you. 1 plus 1 we have learned 10. Now 10 plus 1 equals to 11. So first what we'll do, 1 plus 1, 10, and this carry forward 1. So what we'll add this 1 to 10. That means 11. So what we'll do, we'll write 1 here. Okay, now again 1 is carried. Now first you will solve this one. Then you will go to carry forward 1. Okay, now 1 plus 0. So what is the one? What is there in the table? 1 plus 0 equals to 1. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So now 1 plus 0 equals to 1 and 1 which is carried. So 1 plus 1 equals to 1 and 1 plus 1 equals to 10. So what I'll write? I'll write 10. Now again 1 carried. Now 1 plus 1 equals to 10 and 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Again 1 I have written here and 1 I have written here. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Now 1 plus 1 equals to 10. So the answer will be 10, 10, 10. Okay? Understood? This is the calculation what we have done through binary addition. Okay? Now after binary addition, we are starting with binary subtractions. So what we have to keep in mind? We have to keep in mind the table. Okay? Now the table is given on page number 10. On page number 10, the table is there. So what we have to keep in mind? So we have to keep in mind 0 minus, it will be minus. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 equals to 0 only. Then next, 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 1 minus 0 equals to 1 minus 0 equals to 1. Okay. Now, third one, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. And last one, 0 minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, this is the table. What we have to keep in mind, 0 minus 0 equals to 0. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 0 minus 1 equals to 1. Now we'll move forward with the calculation part. So the first one, what we'll do is 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 times 1. Then 1, 0, 1, 0. Minus. Now, table we have to refer. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Simple. Okay, now next one. So you can see how we have done. We have taken the help of the table, what is mentioned there. Now another one, which is a little bit difficult kind of. 1. The question is 1, 1, 0, 0. Now here 0, 0, 1, 1. Now here what you all have to understand is that on page number 10 it is mentioned that the number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from 0. Then 10 minus 1 equals to 1. 10 minus 1 equals to 1. Note it down. 10 minus 1 equals to 1. So what we have to do, the thing what we have to do, we have to subtract the numbers. We have, once again I'm repeating, we have to subtract the numbers 1100. From that 1100 we have to subtract 0011. Okay, am I clear? Okay, now we have to keep in mind one thing, that is 10 minus 1 is equals to 1, which is mentioned in your book, page number 10. Page number 10, it is mentioned under the table, the number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from 0. So 10 minus 1 equals to 1. So we'll start solving it. We have to solve from right. So first one, 0 is there, so we can't. So now what we'll do, we'll borrow. So 1, this 1 will become 0. This 1 will become 0. This, after which 1 will come here. So 10 minus 1 equals to 1. Now 1 will be here. So 10 minus 1, what we have learned and what is mentioned in your book, that is 10 minus 1 equals to 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. And 1 minus 0 equals to 1. Okay. So with this, we have finished with binary subtractions.